Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the staff management section. When you're done adding your staffs, that is your teachers, click on the staff management button. You will see these three buttons. You already know how to use the staff registration button, but these two other buttons, I will explain it to you shortly. Now enter your admin passcode. You will see this interface. This shows you the total number of staff. You can search for your staff by name. This tells you the class the teacher is in charge of, and that enables the teacher to generate report card for that class. This also tells you the subject the teacher is in charge. This enables the teacher to access the score sheet for that subject assigned to him or her. With this, you can easily edit the teacher's information. With this, you can remove the teacher if he or she is no longer your staff, and they will be automatically removed from the class and subject assigned to them. With this, you can easily get the teacher information. The most important is the staff passcode. Give this passcode to the staff. With this, the staff can access the class or subject sheet assigned to him or her. Let's say the staff passcode have been compromised. You, the admin, can easily change the passcode to a new one. Okay, let me quickly show you how to assign your teachers to a class and subject. It is simple. Click on the class teacher button, enter your admin passcode, click on the drop down to select the teacher for that class and click add. You can assign 2 or more teachers to a class, and you can click this to remove the teacher. Note, only the teacher you assign to a class can access the result card portal with their passcode and generate report card, though the admin can log in to all report card portals. That's why it's very important to keep the admin passcode safe. Now let's go back. Click on the subject teacher button. Select the class, then select a teacher for each subject. When you're done, click on the assign teacher to add the teachers to the subject. You can add 2 or more teachers to a subject. Click to remove teacher, and that means only that teacher can add or edit the student scores for that subject. This makes it very safe. That means no any other teacher can access another teacher's score sheet unless they are both assigned to that subject. And that's it. If you need any assistance, please let us know. Thank you.